Today guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a muffler. Pick a map of your choice and get any gun you want to modify. To make a muffler, you need a plastic block. Now I'm going to teach you. Just hold on for a second. Now here I will spawn melon. You can get a pistol and a submachine gun. I will explain how to make it, but first you need to sub to my channel. Now you need to get a plastic block and resize it and change the color to black. And there you have a muffler. Attach it to any gun you want, but not a machine gun. And I am done. Now you can play with your modified gun. And also save the muffler, and you can also change the color of the muffler. Now you can try shooting it. Cool isn't it? And now my vid is done. Pause, like and sub, and click the notification button for more videos. So bye for now.